with my 1968 Ford F-250. Don't worry about the smoke. That's just some penetrating oil that I have on the exhaust manifolds. I'm putting headers on soon, so I've got those all penetrating and stuff. Here's the power plant. Nice big old V8. Here's the interior. 55,000 miles. Great oil pressure. Temperature's reading. Fuel gauge, alternator gauge. Manual 4 on the floor, granny low. Radio, AM. And let's go for a little ride. Granny low, no gas whatsoever. And right now the choke has to be pulled out for it to idle because the carburetor that's on it is trash. Let's get going straight here. We'll go to second gear. Him get way ahead for a little bit. See this radio work.
We're supposed to go to house for some refreshment. That sin is easily forgiven.
AM radio works.
Of reconciliation, right? Well, what a waste to throw eternity away over lunch and giving them something that's so fleeting, so temporal, and really never gratifying or satisfying.
Travel is...
Yeah, so we'll get that news in it.
We're gonna go around. Third gear, then use the clutch, didn't need to. Man, I love this thing. Sounds awesome. Great score for what I paid for it. Paid $1,000. Runs and drives. Old Nebraska farm truck. This one's going to require a second. This is quite a downgrade. Don't want to wear out my brakes. Nice wing windows. Nice and easy through here since I just got this all cleaned up. The other day I clear coated it. Before that I gave it a couple coats of wax. Then I got some wax removing compound and used a Scotch-Brite pad. Got all the old rust and crap off so I can clear coat it. Looks a whole lot better. Still needs another coat or two. Alright, are we going to third? Third. Here in a second once I get around this turn. I'm going to try to slide it right in. Slid right in with no clutch. Right now I'd have to guess I'm going about 30, 25, 30. Only thing that's wrong with it is the speedometer doesn't work. And now I've already found out what the problem is. It's the plastic gear inside the tail shaft of the transmission. That gear has stripped. The cable spine pulled everything apart, tested it, it's all good. It's just that gear that I have found to be wrong. So I'll be replacing that sometime. Should be pretty easy. Third gear. Should be able to climb this in third gear all day long. I'll shut up so you guys can hear the engine. doubts. Nope. There we go. Starting off in second gear here. Beautiful. No power steering, that's quite the task. one-handed. Great temperature. Gonna probably need a third here in a second. Third gear. Then she'll just walk right down this hill. Gonna go to fourth gear. I'd have to guess I'm going about 40. Just an amazing truck. So far since I've got it, I have changed the oil, the plugs, the oil filter, the plug wires. I have got my brake lights working. I have gotten all my turn signals working. Got my heater working. Let's see, what else have I done? I have clear coated it. And that's about it. Probably gonna have to pull the heads to get my exhaust manifolds off because I've broken a couple bolts. And we're gonna go to second gear. Look at that. Think we can take this hill? Might have to shift the second or I might have to shift the third. The third, she doesn't like it, but she's taking it. This is a real that grind was. Forgot to point out, look at that hitch. It's a real man's hitch. But no, this thing being a 250, look at the suspension. Doesn't even move when I step on it. It's pretty awesome. And that little miss you hear, the choke, because it won't idle without it. So yeah, here she is. 1968 Ford F-250.